wanted to help Enid thrive and grow. So that was one of the reasons why I decided to get involved, because I want our community to be the best it can be for my children and future generations. As the Main Street program came in, it really changed our community. It brought people back into our downtown district. It revitalized a lot of our buildings, and it allowed an opportunity for businesses to see the potential that this district could be. We are there to help our businesses thrive, to retain them, and to recruit also new businesses that, a small business, an entrepreneur who's ready to open a storefront. We help with facade grants. We're able to help people restore their buildings. We can give lots of advice and resources to our businesses. We have actually a very large district, and so we have a lot of historical buildings and a lot of different architecture, and I think it's something that people really want to come see and look at, and really want to preserve that. So as people are coming in and they're wanting to develop properties, we're trying to make sure that they keep the historical integrity of those facades. Main Street is the heart of our community, so I love just seeing all of the people in our community get together, form a team. This is a place that you can shop, dine, be entertained. You can see someone walking down the street and talk to them for hours. So I think my favorite thing is probably just the people involved in our community, our Main Street, and everybody's just working towards the same cause and wants to see our city grow.